Halika, unboxing tayo. Hashtag Halika Unboxing tayo Season 5, Episode 13. It's a Saturday. Happy weekend. And week 28, week 28, July 13. Yan, 13 on 13. Episode 13, July 13, week 28. So, may dumating tayo galing US. Shout out sa ating mga subscribers. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification button para updated kayo sa mga new arrivals natin. Siyempre, may resibo tayo. Heartland, US. From US. Unang bunot. LA Black. Snapback. All black. Black under brim. Black crown. Black visor. Kanji. Kanji. Dodgers. Gray under brim. White sweatband. Linis. Gravity. Same. Raiders. Parang ano siya, kupas. Na-sprayan ng ng Clorox. Ganda. Athletics. Tabi natin dyan. Uy, Anaheim Angels. Youth. Kaya pala maliit, oh. Youth. Anaheim Angels. Old school. Old school yung logo, LA. Como? Oye, como pa? Uy, may stuck up na sticker. Lagay natin yun dyan. Sumama. Pagkakapatong. Raiders pa din. Dami We love them Raiders. Pare-pares ng pattern niya. Pare-pares ng pattern, no? Raiders. Last bunot. Wow! Off-white. Dahil details ng tela. Larry O'Brien trophy yung tela ng details ng tela. Magandang details. Embroidery, ang tela. Patch. Same. Ganda pattern ng tela, no? Ito yung first batch natin ng Celtics Champions 2023-2024. Yan, from Heartland. Ayan, ang ating dumating from US. Siguro may dumating din sa Manila, kaya lang hindi sila nag-unboxing doon. Yung mga dumadating lang dito sa Laguna, yung nakakapag-unbox. Anyway, that's it for our episode for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe dun sa YouTube channel natin for more unboxing. And till next unboxing, peace out. 1